Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss to learn the coordinate system. It is also called Argand diagram or any frame of reference. So we are writing here coordinate grid or Argand diagram. Now what is this coordinate system or diagram? This is actually the combination of these two lines. These two lines are called, this horizontal line is called x-axis and this vertical line is called y-axis. The point of intersection of these both lines, this one is called origin. And now we will discuss the equations of these two lines. The equation of this x-axis is y is equal to 0. It tells us that y is 0 everywhere on x-axis and likewise here on y-axis, x is always 0. So equation of this vertical line, the y-axis, is x is equal to 0. Now this point, this is a point, so point is represented by an ordered pair, that is 0 0. It means y and x-axis both are 0 here. And if I write any point here on x-axis, it will be denoted like this. The value of x-axis will be something, suppose a, and y will be 0 here. And if we take any point here on y-axis, here we will have x0 and y will be somewhat. So now keep in mind these basic things, and we are going to discuss after this the parallel lines to x-axis and parallel lines to y-axis and their equations. So I am removing this one. Note this down. Again we are drawing this horizontal and vertical lines. This is called x-axis. X-axis, the points on x-axis are usually called abscissa, and those which lie on y-axis, the point in which the value of y is called ordinate. In a point, for example a and b, here this one is abscissa and the second element is ordinate. Now we are going to discuss the parallel lines to x-axis. If the line is below the x-axis, then its equation will be y is equal to minus a. In place of a can be anything, any negative number. And if we draw the line above this x-axis, then the equation of that one will be y is equal to plus a. Okay, and we have two other parallel lines which are parallel to y-axis. This is y-axis and this line is parallel to y-axis. Equation of this parallel line is, on y-axis we have x is equal to 0 0. So x is equal to, here because it is on the right side, x is always positive on the right side, so we have plus a. And if I draw a parallel line to the left of this y-axis, the equation of this line will be x is equal to minus a. Now you should keep all these things in your mind, and I will tell you something more about this. That will be how to draw or plot the point on the coordinate system and grid. of the grid. Thank you.